As you can see here, so if you want to replace the handle that you see here because it's broken, so here is the old piece. So basically you have a screw here, over there, and then you have two on the bottom and one on the side. And when you take it like that, and then here you have the screws, so you remove basically those screws. You have to remove the plastic that you have here to have access to the screws, and then after that put a new piece. There you have the connections, so that way you can see everything. We should go, and after that put the screws back, and that's it.